Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark, News, Screws, and Views, back again with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a smart power strip. Yep, a smart power strip. But before we get there, let's get all this, you know how we do. Let's get all this business and politicking out of the way, you know what I'm saying? Let's get all this business out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend, alright? Alright, let's get back to it. Hope everybody having a good and blessed day. Alright, this is your boy Mark for News, Screws, and Views. Like I said, we're doing an unboxing of a smart power strip. Yep, one of those power strips you can control with your Alexa device, or it works with Google Home Assistant, or whatever you want, whatever you want to call it. By a smart power strip by HEYVALUE. Alright, you see on the box right here, smart power strip. You got 4 AC outlets and 4 USBs. I mean, this thing is, in my opinion, I think this thing is awesome, man. You can control so much stuff with this. But let me show you the box. Voice control, family sharing, smart timing. You can set timers, and you can remote control, meaning you can control it from your phone on the app. So you have to download the Smart Life app, and I'll get to that later. You can see you have 4 USBs in there. You're good to go in there. See what the other side of the box say. See what people are talking about. HEYVALUE, made in China, all that good stuff. And here's some of the specs on the back. You can pause this and read it for yourself, but I'll go over just a few of them. Wireless type, you got to have the Wi-Fi for it to work. You got to have the Wi-Fi 2.4, USB power output 5 volts, and let's see here, AC 100 to 240 volt. Let's see what else right here. Power 1250 watt. Power cord length, and the length is a pretty good length too. It's 6 foot length for the power cord, so that's pretty good there. And okay, and it support systems, or it support Alexa, Google Home, or iFit. So, and they got and it also says support mobile, Android or Apple. So iOS. If you got Apple phone, you can use an Apple phone. It works with that, or it works with Android. 12-month warranty. That's pretty cool. Got their little email address, whatever. And then this is the app right here, the Smart Life app. And you can either scan this QR code, and you can go here to look for it. If you got an Apple device, you go there, look for the App Store, or you got a Google device, go to Google Play Store. Alright, and that's about it on the box. So, like, first of all, you got to download that Smart Life app. I'm gonna get to it in a minute. Let's take it out of the box. Let's see what we got here. You can put the box to the side. Take the little plastic protective covering for shipping off. Take the little box off. You get your instruction manual, booklet, And for time's sake, I've already synced this up, and so the video won't go so long. There's a user manual. Got your warranty card here. You can pause that and read it for yourself. Happy, whatever they're saying, and important stuff on this side. So toss that to the side. And here it is, the power strip surge protector right here. Turn that upside down. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take this power cord off. Let me show you where we can get it from before I do that. You can get it from here on Amazon for $22.99, and that's a very good deal for what you're getting. That's a very good deal, very good deal. And let me see if I can find the app. You want to get that Smart Life app. Let me go back. You want to get this Smart Life app. You want to go to the Google Store, Play Store. You want to go to download that app. It's not letting me, it's not clearing up. You want to download that app, Smart Life. And once you open it up, you want to go to you want to add a device. Like I already got it added right here. You can go here and you add you hit a socket, and then you follow all the instructions. It'll take you through step by step on how to get it set up. And then you have to go to your Alexa app, and download the smart skill for your skill settings on there, and then you're good to go. Alright, let's get this untwisted and plugged up and show you how this bad boy works. Alright, as you hear it when it clicked on, so you know you can hear it powering on. So what I'm gonna do, I got a couple of things right here I'm gonna plug into it. A couple of battery chargers for the lights in the studio. Battery packs. Go ahead and plug them in. That'd be socket 4, socket 3. And see, one good thing I like about this, they're spaced out. See, some surge protectors, they're so close together. I couldn't get both of these next to each other that close. And this right here is spaced out good enough so I could do that. Let me see. I got one more thing. I'm gonna plug up a utility light. I'm gonna put that one in number 1. So I got a utility light right here. So put it to the side, and it's like it's trying to turn it. So I'm gonna put that to the side. All right. Then I'm gonna plug up my phone to the USB port. Now, mind you, you want fast charging. You got to make sure you have a fast charging brick and fast charging cord. So, just for video purposes, I'm gonna plug it up right here. It's already on. So, let me cut off a couple of the lights in here. I'm gonna show you how I can control it from Alexa. Alexa, turn off office.
Okay.
Alright, so we got one of them lights out of the way. Alright, I'm going to dim this down a little bit so you can kind of see it. Alright, Alexa, turn on smart strip.
Okay.
Bam. You can control them all at once, or you can control them separately. You can control each one of these outlets separately. So what I'm going to do is, Alexa, turn off USB.
Okay.
So it turned off the phone. So, but these you can only control them all together. You can't control each one of the USB separately. Now I'm going to turn off this utility light. Alexa, turn off switch 1. Alexa, turn off switch 1.
Okay.
Bam. Now you watch these lights right here. Watch these lights. Bring it up closer. Alexa, turn off switch 4.
Okay.
See, that one went off. Alexa, turn off switch 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on switch 4.
Okay.
Bam. Alexa, turn on switch 3.
Okay.
Now watch the phone. Alexa, turn on USB.
Okay.
And Alexa, turn on switch 1.
Okay.
And you can hear it when you're using the AC outlets. You can actually hear it coming on and off. And I don't know if you can see right here. They have a little light. You can see a little light right here where it's lit up for switch 4, switch 3. You can see that right there. Alexa, turn off switch 4.
Okay.
And you see the light went off. Alexa, turn on switch 4.
Okay.
Comes back on. Or like you can just turn everything off altogether. Alexa, turn off smart strip.
Okay.
Cuts off everything. So that's a pretty cool feature. It's pretty cool. Like I said, you can go through the app and name them what you want. You unplug this real quick so I can pull the app back up. And you see the app opening up, and it's the smart strip. So you can name each one of these strips whatever you want to name it. You want to name it, say you want to name it lamp, or you want to name it, well, there's USB. So USB is going to control all 4 USBs. You can't control the USB separately. You got to control all 4 USBs are going to control by one switch. Now the other switches you control individually, so you can name it, say, light, lamp. You can name it radio, TV, or you can name it clock, or whatever you want to name it. Also on here, you can set up timers. So if I want to set up a timer on here, no timer set up. I want to add a schedule. I can add a schedule on here. So I mean, there's so much stuff you could do. And like I said, I can also power on the switch right here. So if I want to turn on the smart switch, all on. That's turning everything on. All off. Or if I want to just go ahead and cut the first switch on, I can just hit right here. Bam, cuts it on, cuts it off. So too easy, too easy. So if you're in the market for a nice smart power strip, I would highly recommend this power strip from HEYVALUE. It's a cool device. There's so much stuff you could do with it. I'm still thinking about, you know, where else in the office I want to put this, or where in the house I want to put it. But I'm thinking about getting a few more. But it saves space, and they're very spaced out. And like I say, you can control it with all your smart devices, like your Google or your Alexa, whatever. You can control it with either one of those. I don't want to say that Alexa's too loud, you know, so you're tricking anybody's devices. But yeah, like I say, if you're in the market for a nice smart power strip, I would highly recommend this one. This is a pretty good deal, and for, you know, under 30 bucks, it was like 22 something. I mean, you can't beat it. Check it out. All right. This has been your boy Mark, Fluid Screws and Views. Another video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and that notification bell, so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And like I've been saying, once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways. Some of these products that did reviews on and unboxings on the channel. So like I say, tell a friend, tell a friend. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. And I appreciate you guys taking out time out of the day and your support to check out the video. And the message for the day is, let's see, message for the day is, oh yeah, with this being, you know, people, all these young folks graduating out of high school and college, message for the day is, stop trying to run game on the older people in your life that's trying to help you out, like your elders, your aunts, your moms, your grandmas, all that. The same stuff you young folks doing now, they did when they were young, so they know what you're doing. So ain't no use to telling lies, running game, and all that kind of stuff. Just be straight up with them, you know what I'm saying? Just be a grown-up. That's what you are now. You be a grown-up and say, hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Don't try to run no game or no hustle on nobody. Just be straight up, you know what I'm saying? Just be straight up. All right, that's a message for the day. Be straight up, you know what I'm saying? You know, folks, stop trying to run game on older people, because the stuff you're doing now, they've been done when they were young. All right, that's the message for the day. This is your boy Mark, Fluid Screws and Views, and I'm out. Dropping the mic. Dropping the mic. I'm just playing.